Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids channel.
Today, you learned 3 awesome words of each letter.
A. A is for apple.
Apple.
A is for airplane.
Airplane.
A is for ant.
Ant.
Next letter is B.
B.
B is for ball.
Ball.
B is for book.
Buck.
B is for box.
Box.
Next letter is C.
C.
C is for cloud.
Cloud.
C is for cat.
Cat.
C is for coat.
Coat.
Next letter is D.
D.
D is for dog.
Dog.
D is for doll.
Doll.
D is for dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Next letter is E.
E.
E is for elephant.
Elephant.
E is for an egg.
Egg.
E is for an eagle.
Eagle.
Next letter is F.
F.
F is for flower.
Flower.
F is for fish.
Fish.
F is for frog.
Frog.
Next letter is G.
G.
G is for giraffe.
Giraffe.
G is for gift.
Gift.
G is for grapes.
Grape.
Next letter is H.
H.
H is for hen.
Hen.
H is for honey.
Honey.
H is for helicopter.
Helicopter.
Next letter is I.
I.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
I is for ink.
Ink.
I is for igloo.
Igloo.
Next letter is J.
J.
J is for jug.
Jug.
J is for jungle.
Jungle.
J is for joker.
Joker.
Next letter is K.
K.
K is for kite.
Kite.
K is for king.
King.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Next letter is L.
L.
L is for lion.
Lion.
L is for lamp.
Lamp.
L is for lemon.
Lemon.
Next letter M.
M.
M is for monkey.
Monkey.
M is for mango.
Mango.
M is for moon.
Moon.
Next letter is N.
N.
N is for nose.
Nose.
N is for nest.
Nest.
N is for nurse.
Nurse.
Next letter is O.
O.
O is for orange.
Orange.
O is for onion.
Onion.
O is for octopus.
Octopus.
Next letter is P.
P.
P is for penguin.
Penguin.
P is for pencil.
Pencil.
P is for pineapple.
Pineapple.
Next letter is Q.
Q.
Q is for queen.
Queen.
Q is for quit.
Quack.
Q is for quail.
Quail.
Next letter is R.
R.
R is for rat.
Rat.
R is for rainbow. R is for rocket.
Rocket.
Next letter is S.
S.
S is for star.
Star.
S is for sun.
Sun.
S is for ship.
Ship.
Next letter is T.
T.
T is for tiger.
Tiger.
T is for table.
Table.
T is for turtle.
Turtle.
Next letter is U.
U.
U is for umbrella.
Umbrella.
U is for unicorn.
Unicorn.
U is for umpire.
Umpire.
Next letter is V.
V.
V is for van.
Van.
V is for violin.
Violin.
V is for volcano.
Volcano.
Next letter is W.
W.
W is for whale.
Wheel.
W is for watermelon.
Watermelon.
W is for window.
Window.
Next letter is X.
X.
X is for xylophone.
Xylophone.
X is for X-ray.
X-ray.
X is for xylemia.
Xylemia.
Next letter is Y.
Y.
Y is for yoke.
Yoke.
Y is for yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Y is for yogurt.
Yogurt.
Next letter is Z.
Z.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra.
Z is for zoo.
Zoo.
Z is for zip.
Zip.
Thanks for watching complete video. See you in next video. Bye bye kids.